Hello friends, this is KD and you're watching Learning and Sharing with KD. In last video we have seen how to update a record using sequelize. So in this video we are going to see how to delete a record or destroy a record using sequelize. So let's get started. So for that reason we have to create one API over here. I'll just copy and paste this post method for saving our time. I will just rename this with delete user. Okay, so for delete user we have to use a destroy method from sequelize where you just need to pass a where clause. You can easily see the syntax on the documentation. So now I will change the message over here. User is deleted successfully. So now our API is ready. Let's just test this API. I will just save this and let's copy and call this API. We have localhost 3000 port. I will just pass ID. I will just pass ID. Now I want to delete a third record Gaurav from users table. So I need to pass ID 3 and let's click on send button. Boom. The user is got successfully deleted from database. Let's see the query. Yeah, the query is also printed over here. Delete from user where ID equal to 3 and go in the database and check. Here is Gaurav. Just refresh and see Gaurav is successfully deleted from users table. In next video we are going to see how to log in with user ID and password. So keep watching Learning and Sharing with KD and thanks for watching this video.